Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to DIY homemade Viagra drink. All right, this homemade drink is so powerful, is so effective, and this recipe are organic. They are natural product you can just get in your fridge, in your kitchen. Mix it together and trust me, you are going to thank me later. All right, this drink is very effective, very powerful, sweet and nutritious, guys, and all other good stuff. So if this sound as what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching, and remember to subscribe, remember to thumbs up this video most importantly, and also share this video if you feel like it. All right, so without further say or do, let's just get right into it. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope this video is quite interesting to you, and I hope you've learned one or two things about making your homemade Viagra at home. And yeah, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. The usage of this drink, all right, make sure to drink it three times, 2 times a week, as much as you love it. You know, it tastes very good, natural. It has no side effect, like I've said earlier. So make sure to drink it 2 to 3 times a week, and trust me, you are going to thank me later. Most especially lazy amu. All right, if you have lazy amu, get in here. If you are battling with this kind of trouble, just go nowhere. Stay on this channel, stay tuned. I have many videos on this, all right, on this topic. Just check through, and you are going to like yourself if you could follow my recipe. All right, so yeah, thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video.